Hello everybody and welcome your faces back to Crypto Jet, where today we're talking about Polkadot. So let's get right into the graph. The first thing that we can see is our zones that we always have plotted, the $10 mark, which acted as a price floor and a significant resistance in the past. Obviously, if you would zoom into this area at that time, it would look somewhat like this spike does right now. So another zone that we do have is the almost $30 mark, also psychologically significant, and it's quite a strong one. So imagine it managed to hold the price above it and sort of create higher highs throughout, even though we retested the zone quite a few times because of profit taking, but then it dropped back down, acted as a resistance while the price pretty much went back down to the $10 mark and then increased again, coming up, breaking through, and then this was the dip or crash, or however you want to call it, from the other day. And basically what happened at that point is we've seen a lot of bullish pressure, which means which you can notice by the enlarged wicks from the bottom sides of the day of the crash and the day after. And then obviously momentum is shifting and starting to be bullish again. So to be completely honest, this just seems like a very nice uptrend retest of a significant zone which acted as a resistance, which is now a support and ready to make another rebound towards the upside. Now, something that I do see in the long run, so for example, if we did move on to the weekly time frame, is this is a huge bullish rejection. Basically, if you see a candle like this on the weekly time frame, same as if you see a candle like this on the daily time frame, an indecision candle, it's pretty much bound to keep going up. So I would not be surprised to see another all-time high for DOT very soon, because another factor is that we have a completely clear candle to the left side. So that means unfilled liquidity. That means we have a clear space plus this week until the previous all-time high to travel, right? In the long run, though, I do expect a larger retracement, potentially once again into this sort of mid zone right here around the $20 mark, because fib levels indicate just that. So if you take your fib tool and you plot it from obviously the bottom until the current top, we'll get fib levels that look like this. But let's say the top is somewhere here, or the previous all-time high level. If we reach another all-time high, I'm sure we will come back and retrace back into this zone once again before continuing towards the upside. As you may know, DOT is a long-term investment of mine, and it should be of yours. It's one of the best coins out there, and I highly recommend getting into it. Now may be the best time, may not be the best time, because obviously if you're short-term trading, then the price has already rebounded from this zone. On the other hand, though, it would be a little bit more significant if you're investing towards the long term. In that case, you can freely go ahead and buy at this price, this price, this price. It doesn't matter if the coin goes, to the high 60s, 70s within the next year. So thank you for joining in for another video, and I'll see you all in the next one. Adios.